If you're tired of jumping between project tasks and your code repository, then this video is going to change the way you work. Today, I'll show you exactly how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub, a powerful sync that brings your tasks, commits, and branches all into one streamlined workflow. Whether you're a developer, team lead, or project manager, this guide will make your setup seamless and error-proof, so let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Log in using your email and password just like you normally would. Once you're inside your workspace dashboard, you're ready for the next step. Now, from your home screen, navigate to your profile or workspace menu. Here, you'll find the settings option. Inside settings, look for the App Center. This is basically the control hub for all integrations inside ClickUp, and it's where the GitHub connection begins. Once you're inside the App Center, scroll through the integration list and find GitHub. Click on it and you'll see a button that says Connect Go. Ahead and click Connect to begin linking your ClickUp and GitHub accounts. You may be prompted to log into GitHub if you're not already. After that, GitHub will show you a permission screen. Make sure to review everything. ClickUp needs access to your repositories so it can link commits, create branches, and sync activity with your tasks. If everything looks right, click Authorize to grant the permissions. Once you authorize GitHub, you'll see a confirmation message back inside ClickUp, letting you know that the integration is officially connected. From here, you can customize settings like mapping branches to tasks, linking commits, or connecting specific repositories and milestones. This is where you fine-tune the workflow so it matches your team's needs. And here's the best part. Your integration isn't a one-time setup. You can revisit these settings anytime as your projects grow or your workflow changes. Use this integration to enhance your agile processes, automatically track commits, and keep your tasks updated without switching between platforms. And that's your full guide to integrating ClickUp with GitHub. If this helped streamline your workflow, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.